Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a walkthrough on a 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX. We do have the black hull side and the white hull bottom. It is paired to the trailer here. Standard bimini top and boot. So we make our way to the swim platform. This has the beautiful dune, upholstery, and sea deck, submersible swim step, the 4.5 250 horsepower Mercury. So we make our way inside. When Sea Ray redesigned this model, we have a great entryway starboard, nice area to lay out if you're anchored and hanging out. L-shaped seating with storage underneath all the compartments. Ski locker. We do have our reversible co-captain seat, and then our standard bucket seat for the captain. 12-inch Simrad display, infusion audio. Everything's very accessible at the helm. Storage underneath the port side console here with our recessed glove box. Great center walk through up to the bow. This is rated for 12 passengers. Again, this is a 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX located here at our store in Rogers. Have a great day.